we have to keep evidence of the work we are doing. If we make them too tight, we won't be able to like have space to.
It's supposed to be one side all the way in. No leave no gap in the middle.
It's still not fit.
We have to take one off, each one, because over there we have. Oh no, never mind. It's good. It's good.
Because we are only putting on the top
Yeah,
shelf
yeah.
only. So
I was thinking my head.
I think the old frames are too big. What do you think?
See,
These
because,
ones.
yeah.
So let's just do the
Hold on,
the new ones.
You want the new one?
Yeah. What do you think?
I think because still have the wax in the edge. Still not gone in. I mean, if you want the new one, I'll put the new ones. You have to be using new one.
Yeah, so that we check out the.
Just take the old ones now.
Yeah, so it looks like they are not allowing us to add the feeder. Interesting.
Like 2 or 3 frames. Still good. Oh, we have to take it off in 2 weeks. Or how many? 3 weeks?
The feeder.
Yeah. Okay, this mark already.
Yeah. So let me mark this one. Did I already mark those ones?
Oh, I don't know. Start over again.